So yun guys, no, ito nga po pala yung patunay no, na nagbabayad po yung application na share ko po sa inyo, okay? So naka-receive po tayo ng 1.7 USDT at na-receive na natin yan sa atin pong Binance account. Hello guys and welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video ay gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong bagong application na si EveGo, no? Fast charging. Okay, so dito guys, ang gagawin mo lang no is magre-register. So ilagay mo lamang po no yung inyo pong email dito, password and confirm password na. So maglagay na rin po kayo ng transaction password dito and invitation code. And after that guys, click mo na po itong sign up, okay? So ayun guys, no, pagka-login natin no, is madadirect po tayo sa kanilang homepage, no. So ito guys, yung kanila pong EveGo, no. And then ito po yung kanilang company information. And then yung kanila pong member list, okay? So pag-aralan nyo na lang po no, yung kanila pong application or platform, no, para po mas marami tayong malaman regarding po sa kanilang application. So ayun guys, no, at meron tayong task dito guys, no. Ayan, so dito guys, meron tayong mga VIP area dito, no? So, minimum invest dito guys is $12. Meron tayo dyan $1.7 araw-araw, okay? So, isang task yan daily, ano? And then, meron din tayong 80, ayan, $80 yan guys. And meron tayong $12 daily, okay? So, makakapag-payout ka dito guys, araw-araw, no? Ayan, meron tayong 260, ayan, 760. At ang maximum nila guys, no, is 88,000, no? So, yan guys, at 14,600 naman po yung kanyang daily earnings, okay? So, yan guys, kung gusto nyo mag-try, no, kailangan po muna natin mag-recharge, okay? So, click lang natin tong mine, and then guys, click lang natin tong top up. Ayan, so dito guys, ikakopy mo lang po yung wallet address na to, no? At punta lamang po kayo sa inyo pong e-wallet at doon na po kayo magbabayad, okay? So dito natin guys, i-send yung atin pong i-recharge, okay? So minimum dyan guys is $12. Okay, so ayan guys, at lagi ko nga lang sinasabi, no, sa pag-invest is always there, and for risk taker only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, so kung mas maganda talaga guys, pag-aralin nyo po muna ng mabuti ito pong kanilang application. Okay, so after that guys, pwede na po kayong mag-try, no? So punta lang po kayo sa task after nyo pong nakapag-deposit. Okay, so click mo lang tong join now. Ayan, so successfully purchased na siya guys. At pwede na po tayo mag-task araw-araw. Okay, so kapag mag-task guys, click lang natin tong charge. And then guys, i-click lang natin tong terminal. So yan guys, wait lang natin siya, no. And as you can see guys, nakakuha na po tayo kaagad ng 1.7 USDT or dollars. Okay, so yan guys, araw-araw yan, no, makakapag-task tayo. And after that guys, punta tayo sa mine. And as you can see guys, meron na po tayo kaagad dito na 1.7 na income. So try na natin yan i-withdraw, no. So click lang natin tong withdraw. Ayan, so dito guys is mag-add po tayo, no, ng atin pong withdrawal method. So submit lang natin. And then click natin tong add withdrawal. So lagay lang natin dito guys yung atin pong wallet address, no. So ayan. Ayan, and then guys yung atin pong transaction password. So yun guys, ang gagamitin natin dito is USDT TRC20. Okay, so after that guys, click lang natin tong submit. Ayan, successfully changed na siya. At pwede na po tayo mag-withdraw. So balik tayo sa withdrawal. And then guys, lagay lang natin dito is 1.7. Ayan. And then payment password. And then guys, choose withdrawal method natin. So i-click natin tong atin pong withdrawal method. So after that guys, click natin tong submit. So application withdrawal successfully na siya guys, no, at antayin na po natin na dumating sa ating pong Binance account. Okay, so yun guys, and then meron nga po pala tayong Wheel of Fortune dito. So yun guys, at mag-invite po kayo para po magkaroon po kayo ng pang spin dito. Okay, so yun guys, no, and then meron tayong other way para kumita is yung pag-invite. So click mo lang tong team. So meron tayong 3 level commission dito guys, no. Meron tayong 12% sa level 1, level 2 is 3%, level 3 is 2%. Okay, so kung gusto mag-invite, copy mo lang tong ating link at pwede mo na i-share sa inyong mga social media account like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay, so ayun guys, and then ito nga po pala, no, yung kanila pong company information. So pag-aralan nyo po siya guys para po mas marami kayong malaman regarding po sa kanilang application. Okay, so ayun guys, at hanggang dito na lang muna yung ating video, and kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod na video na ilalabas ko, and I hope na meron po kayo natutunan, and update ko na lang kayo guys once na na-receive na po natin yung atin pong i-payout. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. Ingat po kayo and God bless you po.